It's time to hit the car show. Let's do this, right, Noel?
Yeah. Ooh, a Mark 1 GLI. Ooh, teardrops. Down here?
Sick, dude.
Like here?
Oh my.
I like all these cars so much better.
Shut up. We're here at Broke Bucket. Brought the Mark II to its first show. We're gonna look at all these other German cars. We got the Mark IIs right here. Mark IIIs, Mark IVs. Everything's here really, so we're just gonna take a look and see what we can find. Keep you all updated.
Let's do it.
It's hot out here. All right, let's get walking. Corrado? Corrado just pulled up. That's pretty clean. Sick. VR6. I had a Mark II just like this. Same color.
Oh, dude.
It was not nearly this nice. This one's very nice.
With the golf ball.
Ooh. Got the rally grill on that Mark II over there with a VR6 swap, it looks like. Pretty awesome.
Oh wait, that's
Clean. Who is it?
That guy was in.
Oh yeah. Yep. So we saw that guy at a Puyallup show a couple months ago. Pretty sick.
Sick, dude.
He's just having a good time.
So sick.
We got a purple Mark II right here.
Oh,
a coupe.
two-door.
Got a coupe rolling here.
Oh, I love the Whistler wheels. I've never heard of them, but they look sick.
They're pretty good wheels. Oh, we got a
Stock
body
interior. Wait, aren't those like similar seats to you?
those look like the same seats as mine. Very clean. Body kit. Got a skirt.
Oh yeah, it's like body.
No side trim. Pretty clean. Got the squares on it. Super clean. I think that's it for the Mark IIs right now. I follow this guy.
Oh yeah.
Follow this guy on Instagram. So R36 swap. It's a 3.6 liter.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So we saw this guy 2 years ago in October
At Griot's
Garage
bro.
for Oktoberfest. So this is the Beetlejuice. What else we got to see?
Oh yeah, it is. I didn't even notice them on there.
What?
Hoping to see a Fox. Not gonna lie.
Got another Mark IV. Sounds like a tractor.
I want to see the.
Wait, I'm skimming over a W12.
That's a W12. Oh shoot.
You don't see these very often.
Not at all.
Polished, looking nice.
God, these things are so long.
Sick trim on the side.
They're so long.
Another Corrado.
Oh, another Corrado. Fire.
Great color on that. Green. That's a sick color. You gotta get that. Is it a
It's a
manual or
BMW.
auto?
It's a BMW. We gotta skip it.
Oh wow. Manual transmission.
sick.
Pretty sick. Is this a notchback? Is that what they're called?
Oh, dude, squarebacks.
Great color on this one. Super sick. Super clean interior. Don't stare at my thing. This is actually what Deadpool will drive. Ooh, fastback. Very nice color scheme rolling on this one. Yeah.
GLX VR6. What is a GLX?
A GLX is a VR6 Mark III Jetta. They made a GLI, but they also did GLX.
I love this blue though. Is this a Mark III?
Yeah. Yep.
Pretty cool.
Oh
We gotta
my.
go see the trucks.
We're getting to the truck section. There's that green.
Another Corrado.
Green Corrado, G60, Mark I GLI.
Mark 1.
Go look at the, should be an 8 valve in it. Wow, look at that.
We got Mark 1 Golf.
Nice. Rabbit, year 1980. Okay, very cool. 1980. Got some GTI seats in this one. Get a look at that. Those are
Mark
Mark 6
6?
seats, yeah. Turbo diesel Mark I Jetta. Very cool color on this one as well. Wow. I've never had the pleasure to look inside a turbo diesel
1.6.
1.6 before. Mexico beige. What's the color on that? Brown interior. Probably a 4 or 5 speed. Pretty cool.
Mirror delete.
Oh my God. Wide body, green, Mark I. Let's go take a gander at that.
It was an 83 Rabbit diesel that some business guy had somebody build this car for his son. From what I heard, that he autocrossed it for a little while, blew up the engine, and then sold it to an old guy like me up in Shoreline, who bought a wrecked Audi TT front-wheel drive.
Nice.
Did the S&P California conversion out of S&P to put the
Yeah.
MK4 and an MK1. It did the conversion, got it running. It actually has 16 valve Scirocco 4-wheel disc brakes on it,
Oh really?
with a proportioning valve so it can adjust back end brake bias.
Yeah.
It's got H&R coilovers on it.
Nice.
It's got a homemade front, real super heavy duty front sway bar.
Oh. Same car.
Oh my God, it was in the showroom.
Is that the next step?
See the billeted shift knob?
Yeah. Euro tails.
I know, let me see it. Fire.
Just bought these two Mark II metal display thingies.
Those are gonna go in the garage.
The garage, new house coming soon.
Let's do it.
This was the only one that they were selling today, and I got it, so
Sick.
pretty sick.
We're at the show still. It's hot. My back is burning. We've gotten one, I guess, interview, right? Interview, breakdown type beat. Everyone's dying of heat.
Yep. I think we're 2 hours in.
2 hours. We're gonna have a lot.
Two more to go.
2 more hours to go.
Yes.
What are we gonna do? Oh, they're gonna lower that?
Once he puts that windshield down, he can't lose.
No. He smoked that. Oh my God, come on.
So we didn't film an outro to this video, but nothing really else happened to the car show. So this current week, Saturday, August 24th, I will be going to Low on the Lawn at the same location. Me and Reagan. Reagan will be my cameraman.
Oh, fuck.
So I'll be at another car show filming that, and Liam will also be making content. What are you going to be doing Saturday?
I'm getting a new car tomorrow. I mean, Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm getting a new car on Saturday. So we're going to be making a little video about driving 3 hours to go get it, and we're going to trailer it back. So stay tuned.
So double content day, 2 videos coming soon. Klunk Garage.